Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate bug tracking with Jira, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Jira account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Locate the project settings on the left sidebar. Click on project settings to open the configuration options. Scroll down to find the automation section. Click on the automation option. You will see a button labeled create rule. Click on it. Now, the rule builder interface will open. Select a trigger for your automation rule. Common triggers include issue created or issue updated. Choose the trigger that fits your workflow. Next, click on the Add Component button. From the drop-down, select Action. In the Action menu, choose an operation like Edit Issue or Send Notification. Fill in the required fields for the selected action. This may include setting priority, assigning a user, or adding comments. After configuring the action, click on Save Rule. Your rule will now appear in the list of automation rules. Review the rule to ensure it meets your expectations. You can test the rule by creating a sample issue. Check if the automation works as intended. If necessary, return to the automation settings to tweak the rule. Once you are satisfied with your automation, you can activate it. This will ensure that your bug tracking process is streamlined. Regularly monitor the automation logs for any issues. Make adjustments to improve efficiency as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.